Okay, so here's the most exciting part, eye tracking. And as you may know, our original plan was to use Taobi eye tracker at Light Live, but because of closure of the whole campus, we don't have access to Live right now. And to make sure all of you has hands-on experience on eye tracking experiments, I did a lot of research on dozens of eye trackers, either webcam based or other like you have individual eye trackers. But since we are now probably stay at home, and we can't do like some very complicated experiments like with additional eye tracker. So what I chose here is it's a gaze recorder. It only uses webcam and a computer, a laptop or PC. So let's suppose you are a participant and now you want to do an eye tracking experiment at home. So after you connect to the testers on Zoom, now you start your the study, eye tracking study. So first you go to app.gazerecorder.com and then you click add website URL. And here I type our department website bit.msst.edu. Of course, you need to change the URL into the website assigned to you, and then click Start Eye Tracking Experiment. So the next step is the gaze calibration, and to make sure we can have robust data and make sure all the eye tracking is accurate, we need to make sure okay our face is visible and we have good light in the environment and there's no strong light behind our back and there's no light reflections on glasses. Okay, just make sure no reflections. Now let's start gaze calibration. Okay, so look at the red dot, and move your eyes and just follow the red dot. This software uses a 6 points calibration, so its accuracy level is much better than many other eye tracking softwares. Okay, now turn your head slightly, just follow instructions. It's better not to move your head in the experiment, but this calibration just makes sure, okay, if you do move your head, they can do some adjustment. Now you can see our eye gaze is captured by webcam. Okay, now it's loading the BIT website. And let's say you receive the usability script from testers. And after he or she give you the introduction about this study, and you work on the eye tracking experiment part. You can see, okay, for the first task is to ask you to find the admission requirement of the master program in information science and technology. And here my role is a prospective grad student. Okay, now let's go back to the website. So since it's an information science and technology program and the graduate program, I click the graduate button. And I scroll down the web page. Okay, here's a degree assistance. Okay, admission details. That's what we want. Okay, now since I complete this task, I need to go back to the home page again. And then the second task, okay, schedule appointment with my advisor, but where should I find his or her email address and office location? Okay, homepage. So probably and the people, right? Oh, it's not working. So my internet connection is not so good. Let's do it again. Okay, let's assume Doug Sell is my advisor. And his email address is isiauk@ms.edu. And here's his office location. Okay, I complete this task. So you're gonna do the same thing for the remaining task. And one of the limitation of Gates Recorder is that this is a free trial version, and each time it only allows around 3.5 minutes. So let's say you only have like 3 or 4 tasks completed during a one eye tracking session. So that's fine. Let's see. You can still okay. Let's say we completed the part here. Let's see. Recording. Okay, let's say the recording stops, and you only have like 2 tasks completed during this session. That's fine. Okay, and then just make sure you click the share recording button, and you can see from the recording actually it generates a heat map of your gaze movement during the last eye tracking process. So what you're gonna do as a participant, you need to click share recording button and click the plus sign here. Just copy this URL. For example, you can even make put some notes here. It's a task 1 and 2, and then send this, and then go back to gaze recorder again. Just hit gaze recorder, and then start the process again. bit.msd.edu. And then after this another eye tracking process, of course there will be a new URL, and then you just do the same thing. And for example, task 3, 4, 5. So until your, and then of course put the URL, the new URL here. So after you completed all the 10 tasks, written on the protocol, then you will ask to fill out a post-study survey. And so here is a template, a survey template. And each group, you need to modify your survey. For example, you need to change the website of the survey and change the all the websites linked in the survey. Okay, but for participant, make sure you answer all the questions, and then hit the submit button to upload your response. The last part for participant is to have an interview with the testers. And the testers will ask you some questions, like open-end questions. How do you like the whole process? And is there anything not included in the study but you want to share with them? Okay. So this is a simple description of the tutorial of how to do eye tracking at home for participants.